How to fix eSound application not working properly. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your eSound application not working properly. So if you are also facing the application closing itself, or application is showing any type of error while you're trying to log in, or it's just getting stuck on your login screen, so in that case what you need to do is just head over to your Play Store and just search in for eSound application just like this, and make sure you have successfully updated your application. So once you have successfully updated your application, next thing what you can do is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see the apps option. So just tap on it and just find or locate the eSound application. So once you find the eSound application, just click on this, and from over here scroll down until you see the storage option and just clear the cache data from over here and clear the data as well. So you may have to re-log in with your login credentials, and that should be successfully fixing your issue of your eSound. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.